pulled this off the buffer. Now I gotta pull all these little clips off of here. And then I've got some more leather, so now I'll cut another piece and patch this all back together. All right, I've got the middle pulled out. You can see there's some padding on there. And now I'll just take the old leather and lay it out on the new leather and trace it out so that I know the size that I need. And I got to punch all these holes in there and then flip it over and get it back on the buffer. Well, it's not perfect, but it's decently tight on here, and the new surface is nice and clean and ready to go. Of course, now I'm going to have to charge it with cerium oxide, optical cerium oxide, before I can use it. But I got the new leather on, and pretty soon I'll be able to use it again. Okay, got it back on there. As you can see, it's running pretty true. Actually, I think before it was a little bit wobbly, so now I've got it aligned better. So now I just gotta charge it up, and then I can start using it again. So this is the stone that I lost my grip on and tore the big chunk out. And as you can see now, it's got a great polish on it. I'm going to hit this one again.